It's our wedding day, I couldn't be more happy. We're alike and I swallowed the key. We stand side by side like dominoes. If one falls, the other one goes. You kiss me, we officially tethered. What happens when you tie wild horses together? Yeah, put a ring around my finger, the same one I used for the trigger. I'd rather be charged with attempted murder than be an empty shell missing my pearl. It's not a big deal, it's just forever. Let's hang together unholy matrimony. Let's hang together. If you die, I'll die gladly. Just please don't hang us separately. To having a home, for better or worse, I will follow you. Just like a curse, like a man being dragged by a horse, like a procession trailing a hearse. I suppose they'll have to pardon me for taking my vow so seriously, to worship and obey, sickness or in hell. For you, I go to heaven or the depths of hell, and I'd rather be charged with attempted murder than be an empty shell missing my pearl. It's not a big deal, it's just forever. Let's hang together unholy matrimony. Let's hang together. If you die, I'll die gladly. Just please don't hang us separately. Our anniversary, I just wanted attention. Was it insanity or a crime of passion? To light the fire, to spark the ignition. I wanted your love, I got your conviction. Let's hang together unholy matrimony. Let's hang together forever, eternally. Let's hang together. If you die, I'll die gladly. Just please don't hang us separately. Just please don't hang us separately.
Coming in on a night train with an arm full of boxcars on the wings of a magpie across a hooligan night. Busted up a chaperone way out by the Kokomo. Cooked up a mess of mulligans and got into a fight. Whistling past the graveyard, stepping on a crack. I'm a mean mother hubba, Papa One-Eyed Jack. You probably seen me sleeping out by the railroad tracks. Ask the Prince of Darkness about the smoke from the stack. Sometimes I kill a jackal and suck out all the blood. Steal myself a station wagon, driving it to the mud. A whistling past the graveyard, stepping on a crack. I'm a mean mother hubba, Papa One-Eyed Jack. I know you seen my headlight and the honking of my horn. I'm calling out my bloodhound, chase the devil out the corn. Last night I cracked the Mississippi, and now it's dry as a bone. I was born in a taxi cab, I ain't never going home. Whistling past the graveyard, stepping on a crack. I'm a mean mother hubba, papa, one-eyed jack. My eyes have seen the glory of the draining of the ditch. I'm coming to Baton Rouge to find myself a witch. I'm gonna switch me a couple of them every time it rains. You gotta see a locomotive, probably think it's a train. Whistling past the graveyard, stepping on a crack. I'm a mean mother hubba, papa, one-eyed jack.
Here.
What you think is sunshine is just a twinkle in my eye. I got a ring around my finger called the 4th of July. When I get lonesome, a tear falls from my cheek. There's gonna be an ocean in the middle of the week. Whistling past the graveyard, stepping on a crack. Mean mother hubba papa, one-eyed jack. I come in on the night train with an arm full of boxcars. On the wings of a magpie across a hooligan night. I'm gonna tear off a rainbow and wear it for a tie. I never told the truth, so how in the hell could I tell a lie? Whistling past the graveyard, stepping on a crack. I'm a mean mother hubba papa, one-eyed jack.
Well, I had a dream last night, and you seemed ever so near. I dreamt that I was holding you tight and whispering sweet things in your ear. But now the night is through, and I find myself still thinking of you. It was a vision of your love, of your sweet face and wondering eyes. You'll never come back to me, I guess, but my dreams keep telling me lies. Now the night is day, and you're the girl who made me away. My love for you is so real, but you'll never know the way that I feel. My love for you is so real, but you'll never know